All right, here's Katie. She is going to give you really a great lesson in cycle analysis. She's going to look at multiple time frame analysis in Amgen. Of course, most stocks are in pretty negative shape out there, and she's going to show you one that maybe is a little bit better with reference to our cycle low timing tracker, which really gives you a great indication of what stocks may be in a time frame where they're going to fall potentially hard for a last time, or that they're bottoming or have bottomed. So this is just great information. So take it, Katie.
Hi, I'm Katie with askSlim. If you've been following our videos, you may have seen one of our new tools for level 3 and 4 members. This is the Cycle Low Timing Tracker. We made an enhancement to it this past week, and I'm going to show you that in conjunction with an opportunity highlighted on here in Amgen. This is Thursday's Cycle Low Timing Tracker. It's updated every day. The enhancement that has been made is these red, yellow, and green squares next to the symbols, one for the intermediate term and one for the short term. Now these colors are pulled from another askSlim tool called the Slimulator Ranking System, and they represent a proprietary combination of market condition, momentum, and cycle phasing information that provides us with a general bullish, bearish, or neutral hypothesis. We can then take that hypothesis to the charts and look for trade opportunities. So just glancing at the screen, you can easily see that most of the symbols are showing either bearish or mixed. The only symbol that is showing up bullish, completely bullish, is Amgen. So now let's go and take a look at the weekly chart of Amgen. This is a 10-year weekly chart, and our analysis uses 3 general components: cycle analysis, momentum, and swing high, swing low analysis. Cycle analysis starts with identifying the major money flow patterns into and out of a symbol. So these cycle brackets on the bottom are a drawing tool that helps us identify those. Amgen's cycles are an average 27 bars in length, and these purple vertical lines show where the actual cycle low occurred. Now we use our proprietary reversal scout, this green and purple ribbon on the chart, to show momentum, green for positive and purple for negative momentum. And of course, swing high, swing low analysis identifies important support and resistance areas where a move may stall or turn around. So let's take a look at this most recent weekly cycle. We got a good up move after making this cycle low at the 127.2% fib extension level, and momentum turned positive. Then we had almost a mid-cycle dip here and bounced off the 61.8% fib. We got another good up move and tagged the prior cycle peak resistance before momentum turned negative, and we corrected down to the intermediate 50% fib level. So a couple of things to notice here relative to certain facets of cycle analysis. First, this cycle ended higher than where it began. We call that a positively configured cycle. Second, we spent almost the entire cycle rallying, peaking over here at the later part of the cycle, and then only correcting for 2 or 3 weeks. And we call that a right-hand translation because the cycle is peaking over here on the right-hand side. So when we have this combination of a right-hand translation and a positive configuration that only retraces to the 50% fib level, the probabilities favor being able to take out that prior cycle high. Now notice these blue vertical dashed lines. These show a period of a few weeks around the ideal cycle low when we expect a cycle to make its bottom and begin to turn back up. You can see that we have been in that timing window, made a key cycle low, moved up, and now also have positive momentum. So we're 4 weeks off the low, and we've already tested that prior cycle peak, and now getting some retracement into this rising support zone. So let's take a look at the daily chart and see what this looks like. So here is that advance off the intermediate term low. A positively configured bullish cycle with a right-hand translation. And now we're approaching this period of time around the end of the daily cycle when we would expect Amgen to make a cycle low and then another move up. So that period of time is between June 6th to June 14th, and Amgen is behaving as expected. This support zone is from 246.25 down to about 239. So this is a long side opportunity in Amgen that is forming. We would expect at least a retest of that prior cycle high. And then if it gets through there, possibly up to the 61.8% extension at around 264. Please do come and visit our website at askSlim.com to learn more about the cycle low timing tracker that calls your attention to this type of opportunity, as well as all of our other tools and services.
Beautiful again, Katie. That was really fantastic. And I really hope that people that are watching for the first time really have learned the value of this style of analysis.